Artificial intelligence continues to develop at a record pace within the whole tech sector. Most of the AI crypto coins saw an insane move to the upside in Q1 of 2023, making 10, 20 and even 30x to the investors. However, many of you, including me, didn't see that one coming and couldn't take advantage of that move, getting into those sweet lows here and print massive profits. But even though we missed the lows on this pump, I decided to start covering the most promising microcap AI crypto projects that can skyrocket in the next bull run, even though they saw a pretty good move to the upside already. Their market cap is still relatively low and the upside potential remains huge. However, many of you thought that you missed the boat already, and if you get in, you'll basically buy the top and you better look for something else. Well, I was constantly telling you that the current price is still not bad if you want to get into right now, but I expect a decent pullback because of the terrible macro, and better buying opportunities could occur down the road. Well, these opportunities slowly start to become reality as the altcoin market is in a slow bleed within the last month or so. The price might go lower, it might go way lower than that and even reach the previous lows, and in fact even put a new lows on a few coins, but it might also start to go back up again. No one knows, and because of that, the DCA strategy is usually the winner when it comes to investing. These are definitely good levels to DCA, and if you wait for lower prices and basically better entries, they might never come. Or if you think the AI crypto coins are done because they've stopped pumping, remember that you wished for these prices just a month ago so you can get in. That's why in this video I will show you 3 super tiny AI crypto coins that have potential to 500x in the next bull market if you accumulate them in 2023. But before I start, I wanna quickly clarify that nothing in this video is financial advice. I have zero exposure to these coins, and I haven't been paid to promote any of them. These are coins that I personally like and genuinely think they have a massive upside potential, and I do not benefit in any way by showing you these coins. So with that out of the way, I'm gonna start with the first one on the list, and that is iChain. iChain is an artificial intelligence layer 1 blockchain for data economy and Oracle services, and they claim to be the world's first intelligent and secure solution for emerging Web3, scalable dApps and decentralized AI. They managed to bring their AI ecosystem and services to all major blockchain networks through their relying protocols and bridges, and the iChain mainnet 2.0 is currently the blockchain of the iChain AI ecosystem. They also scale their Oracle services and protocols via customized Layer 2 rollup, which significantly increased the transaction throughput. They designed and implemented proof of correctness and proof of execution for any AI computation. This plays a fundamental role in developing AI oracles for many smart contracts. They also developed data and AI-related hubs through platforms like Data Hub or AI Marketplace and standard protocols for creators like Royalty Protocol in order to establish decentralized environments for data economy and AI-based services. They have developing tools and protocols for developers such as Cosmos IDE or upcoming SDK and development sandbox for dApps, NFTs and metaverse projects. They also have a Web3 wallet called O-Wallet where you can store and stake their native token called ORI, and the O-Wallet supports both Cosmos-based and EVM-based networks or Ethereum virtual machine-based networks including Cosmos Hub, iChain, Osmosis, Juno, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain and more. iChain ecosystem grows every day and they have quite interesting dApps deployed already, like AI Write for example, which is an AI-based NFT authenticity verifying service where you can check for counterfeit NFTs, scams and etc. They also have dApps like AI Marketplace or ORCHAI, which is basically an AI lending platform. They have their own DEX called ORIDEX and many other stuff. I think this project looks quite interesting and we could say that it's a bit undervalued considering its advanced phase of development. The market cap is below $10 million, but I want to point out that the fully diluted market cap is quite big and you must pay attention to the token release schedule because only 10% of the supply is currently in circulation. But apart from that, the token was launched back in 2020 and it reached $100 in the last bull market. During this bear market, the ORI token dropped down to $1 and it managed to do a 10x during the AI narrative pump in Q1. But overall, I think this project looks solid and it has a lot of potential. So moving on to the next one on the list, and that is Chipley. Chipley is a very creative AI crypto project that I stumbled across a few days ago, and it definitely could be a 500x hidden gem. Chipley is the world's first automated peer-to-peer all-in-one influencer marketplace specially focused on nano and macro influencers. The platform has been developed with the aim to create a decentralized organization that operates fully in the interest of its end users, the small influencers and the marketers. Chipley will provide marketers with the freedom to act fast and effectively, thanks to the possibility of one-click marketing. Through virtual mapping, influencers influencers and marketers will be paired to perfection, matched like never before, thanks to artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data technologies. End-to-end automated campaigns are data-driven, constantly refined and adapted to improve reach and impact, lifting results and effectiveness. The tokenomics also look interesting. You can see the vesting schedule here on their website, but I'm not gonna go into details right now, as you can check it at any time when you need it. But there are a few things I want to mention about the CHRP token, which is the utility token in the Chipley ecosystem. And the first thing is you will get a 50% discount on transactions when paying with the Chipley token. Also, the brands can make a payment in any currency, whether fiat or crypto, because of the swapping mechanism in the underlying layer. And so any currency will be converted to CHRP in the backend. This is bullish because the CHRP token is deflationary and a 20% gross margin is taken on each transaction, out of which 1/5 is sent to a burn address directly. Influencers will also be paid in CHRP automatically to promote the Chipley platform and token. If we take a look at the price chart of the token on CoinMarketCap, we can see that it was launched at the end of 2022 and it's been basically trending down since then. However, in March it moved up quite a bit, showing some signs of life. One thing I want to say is that if you decide to invest in this AI crypto project, you will be extremely early, as the market cap is below $200,000. Of course, this can be either great or horrible, because it can literally go to zero or make you 500x with ease. Also, bear in mind that only 3% of the supply is currently in circulation, and you must take into consideration the token release schedule that you can find on their website. And the last AI crypto coin on the list is Dynex. Dynex describes itself as a next generation platform for neuromorphic computing based on a groundbreaking flexible blockchain protocol. It consists of participating proof of useful work miners that constitute a decentralized neuromorphic supercomputing network, which is capable of performing computations at unprecedented speed and efficiency, even exceeding quantum computing. So basically, this platform will help anyone who is training machine learning models to significantly speed up the training process and increase the overall model performance. Their Dynex chip design is built based on ideal memristors, and memristors are two-terminal resistive devices with memory. In general, their nonlinear dynamic behavior is mathematically modeled by means of a differential algebraic equation set, in which an ordinary differential equation governs the time evolution of the memory state, while an algebraic relation captures the state and input-dependent Ohm law. I know you probably didn't get any of that, but what this basically means is that this will allow their platform to be super efficient in the computations, which can make them outperform technically faster systems. The collective computing power provided by the network of Dynex miners can be utilized to perform computations at unprecedented speeds and efficiency. Applications like training of neural networks, finding solutions for constrained satisfaction problems, mixed integer linear programming, subset sum problems, or reversible computing can be performed on the platform, enabling businesses, governments, and research to compute on the neuromorphic computing cluster. Dynex's native token Dynex is used as compensation for the use of its computing resources. They will be launching the Dynex marketplace later this year, which will allow everyone to run computational tasks on the Dynex platform. If we go to CoinMarketCap to take a look at the Dynex token, we can see that it was launched a couple of months ago, and during this recent pump it almost reached its previous all-time high, and that is within a couple of days. The market cap is self-reported, and it currently sits below $10 million, which is ideal for potentially hundreds of X's. And to be completely honest, projects like Dynex have a much higher probability to absolutely skyrocket and make it to the top 20 or even top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap, because it's unique and they provide innovative technology to the market. The only thing, in my opinion, that separates success from failure in cases like this is the execution of the team. I really hope they don't mess up, because this AI crypto coin looks very promising. If you guys like the content, you can subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any videos in the future. You can also watch this video next that popped up on the screen if you want to see some of the top 3 layer 1 crypto projects with insane potential that are still tiny. But apart from that, thank you guys a lot for spending the time with me. I appreciate you all, and I will see you in the next one.